Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make TikTok videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open TikTok. In order to create a TikTok video, click on the plus sign icon on the menu bar. Doing so will open your camera and all the features available to use within the video. Tap and hold the pink button to start recording the video and release it when you wanna stop. Click on the check sign icon when you're done. Now tap add sound in the top to add an audio. TikTok has a vast library to find music, so click on the track that you want to add to your video. Once you make a video, there are even more effects that you can find. You can see the list of options in the right hand side of your screen. Those options will help you trim the video, add text, stickers, filters, and many more. When you finish making your video, tap next. Now give your video description here. You can also add hashtags. Mention your friends and also choose if you want your post to be public, private, or visible to friends only. Tap on post button to publish the video. And that is how you can make TikTok videos. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.